Welcome to Cikgu Sims. So this video will discuss self-practice 2.1a. So let's see question 1. Write 3 numbers to represent numbers in base 2 up to base 9. Okay, so first you need to know the meaning of base. So for base 2 you have 2 different digits. So you can only use 0 and 1. So for base 3 it's the same. You have 3 different digits, 0, 1, and 2. So you can notice that for base 4, all the digits are less than the number 4. You cannot have the numbers which are bigger than the number 4. Okay, so you need to write 3 examples for each base. So for base 2, you can use these 2 numbers. For example, you can write 10 base 2 or 11 base 2 or even more digits, 101 base 2. Okay, for base 3 it's the same. You can write 211 base 3, 2000 base 3, or even 21100 base 3. Okay, and for base 4 you can write 213 base 4 or 3 base 4, 103 base 4. Okay, so you just use these digits to form the numbers. The same thing goes to base 5 until base 10. Okay, so let us see question 2. Circle 3 numbers which do not represent numbers in base 6. Okay, so you know that base 6 you have 6 different digits which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so do not present means you have numbers bigger than 5. Okay, so for example this one, 8 to 9. Okay, this one cannot be base 6 because it has 8 and 9 which is not in base 6. And 371 because you have 7, and 461 because you have 6. Okay, so question 3. Based on the 4 numbers above, identify and list all the numbers with the following bases. Okay, so for the first one, 2, 3, 4, the highest number is 4. So this one is possible to be base 5 and above, right? It can maybe base 5, it can be base 6, 7, 8, 9, or above, right? For this one, the highest number is 7, so it can be base 8 or base 9 or above. Okay, so for 336, this one is 6, so it can be base 7, 8, 9, or other numbers, or other bigger number. Okay, so for this one, 8, so it can be base 9 or higher base. Okay, so for base 5, which one is possible? Only this, right? Only the first one is possible. So 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 is possible for all of this. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Because all of the numbers are less than the base. Okay. For 6, 7, 3, it can be base 8 and above. Okay, so 6, 7, 3 can be base 8 and above. 3, 3, 6 can be base 7 and above. So 3, 3, 6 can be this. This one can be base 9 and above. So 281 can be here. Okay, so these are the answers. So let's move on to question 4. Determine the place value of the underlying digit in each of the following numbers. Okay, so let us do number 1. 1110010 base 2. So the place value is depends on the base, and the first one start at 0, the second one so the 0 1 the power 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you are looking at this one, right? So the place value is this 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so you use the same writing technique for others number. Okay, so for example 214, the base is 5, right? So you write 555, start at 0 1 2. Okay, and your 2, this 2, the place value is 5 to the power of 2. And question C, okay, so 7071. So for question C is 71. Question D, 6061. So 6 to the power of 1. For question E, 303132. So 3 to the power of 2. For question F, 9091. 40414 to the power of 2. 808182 to the power of 3. So this is the place value. 6 to the power 0, 6162. And then 5 to the power of 0. Okay. So if you want to calculate the value, it's also okay. Okay. So question 5. Determine the value of the underlined digit. So this one is actually digit value. Just now we find the place value, right? So now we are finding the digit value. So digit value is your digit times your place value. The value that we found just now, you need to times with the digits. Okay, so the first one, I do the complete working. 1110 base 2. So you need to find the place value first. The place value is 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and 3. After you find the place value, okay, you times with the digits. Okay, this digit times with the place value. So the digit value of 1 is 1 times 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Okay, you do the same thing for the B, but I shorten the working. So 5 to the power 0, 5 to the power of 1. So 5 to the power of 1 times 2. So you get 10. Okay, so 9 to the power 0 is the place value. I need to time this value with the digit 3. So 9 to the power 0 times 3. So any numbers power to 0 is 1. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3. So for question D, 606162. So 6 to the power of 2 times 2. You get 72. Question E, 30313233. 3 to the power 3 times 2. Get 54. Okay, so the same thing for F until I. You just repeat. So for your answers, you need to write the complete working. So 8 Okay, so let's see question 6. Determine the values of the following numbers in base 10. Okay, so we are finding values of the numbers. So this is actually number values. Number value is the sum of all digit values. So just now we find the place value and then we find the digit value. So every digit has its own value. So you need to add all of them to find the number value. So for example, 2, 3, base 6. You find the place value. Okay, you find the place value 6061. Okay, and then you find the digits value. So digits value means you times this number, right? Okay. So 3 times 6 to the power of 0, okay, is your first digit value for the number 3. And then 2 times 6 to the power of 1 is the second digit value. Okay. And then you need to add all of this digit value to become the number value. So 15. Okay, B 4, 2, 5, base 8. So you bring the 8, 0, 1, 2. And then your number value, you can write like this, 4 times 8, 2. Okay, I have 3 groups, right? So I can write like this. 3 groups, the sum of the digit value. So I am finding the digit value and put them in the bracket. So 4 times 8, 2, 2 times 8, 1, 5 times 8, 0. Okay, and then you can use a calculator to get your answer. Okay, so for question C, 1101101 base 2. So you write this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your number value. So I have 6 digits. So you put them 1 times 2 to the power of 5, 1 times 2 to the power of 4, 0 times 2, 3, 1 times 2, 2, 0 times 2, 1, 1 times 2, 0. Okay, so I'm doing the multiplication to find the digit values, and then I add them all together to find my number value. Okay, so you can even label, you can draw a table and label. So this is your place value. This is your digit. Okay. Question D, you do the same thing. 3, 3, 8, base 9. So you bring the 9. 0, 1, 2. And then your number value. So 3 times 9 power 2, 3 times 9 power 1, 8 times 9 power 0. Okay, question E, 3, 6, 4, 7, and then your number value, 3 digits, so I do 3 times. The first digit value, second digit value, third digit value. Okay. And then for question, also question 6, you repeat the same method. So for question 7, determine the values of P and Q. Okay, so this one become this one. So this one times this one. One times 2, 2, 0 times 2, 1, 1 times 2, 0. So 1 times 2, 3. So 0 times 2 will be 0, so this one gone. 1 times 2, 0 is 1 times 2, 0. Okay, so I compare with this. You can see that your P is 3 and your Q is 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Okay, or you can keep 2 to the power of 2. For question B, you do the same thing. Okay, 3, 7, 5. And then you compare. Okay, question 8. Calculate the sum of the values of digit 8 and digit 3 in 1, 8, 2, 3 base 9. Okay, so digit 8 and digit 3. I need to find the digit value and then sum, plus them together. Okay, so 1, 8, 2, 3 base 9. So my place value is 0, 1, 2, 3. I am looking for this and this 8 and 3. So I find the sum of digits. Sum of digit value 8 times 9, 2 plus 3 times 9, 0. Okay, question 9. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means from smaller number to a bigger number. Okay. So you know that number of digits, this is 3 digits. So 3 digits is smaller than 4 digits. 4 digits will be a bigger number. Okay. So these two have 3 digits, right? So these two numbers is smaller. Okay, and then we compare these two, 0 and 1. So 1 will be bigger because the in front is 1 and 1 is the same. So we compare this, the first digit, so 0 and 1. So 0 is smaller. So 110 is the smallest, followed by this. And then we compare this one, 1000. Okay, this one will be smaller. Question B. Okay, so this 3 will be smaller because this have 4 digits. So 4 digits will be the biggest one. I put at the last one. So we have 3 more. So 1 and 1, this 2 is smaller than 2. So 231 is the biggest among these 3. Okay, we compare the second one. 112 is smaller. Okay, so for question C, all have 3 digits. So we compare the first one. 1 is the smallest. And then followed by 2. This we have 2 numbers. So we compare the second one. 231 is smaller. 241 and then followed by 300. Okay. Rearrange the following numbers in descending order. So from the bigger number to smaller number. So not that these base are different. So you need to convert them to base 10. Or in other words, you are finding the number value. Okay, you are finding the number value. So for question A, 11101 base 2. The place value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am finding the number value here. Equal to, I have 6 digits, so I can do like this. So first one, 1 times 2, 5. Second one, 1 times 2, 4. I am doing the multiplication. And then 1 times 2, 3, 1 times 2, 2, 0 times 2, 1, 1 times 2, 0. And then after you calculate all of them, you end up getting 61. Okay, and this value will be base 10. Okay, or 61. So the first one is 61. And then you calculate the second one, the number value 1, 2, 1, 3, base 4. Okay, so the place value 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you convert it. I have 4 digits, so I write 4 bracket, and then I write the digit value. Okay, so 1 times 4, 3, 2 times 4, 2, 1 times 4, 1, 3 times 4, 0. And then you calculate, you get 103. Okay, this value is base 10. 103. And then you do it for the last one, 81 base 9. So 9091. So 81 base 9 is actually these two digits plus together, the digit value. So 8 times 91, 1 times 90. So this one is 73. So this one is 73 base 10. So we compare these three values, 61, 103, and 73. So 103 is the biggest number. Okay, so the biggest is 1213 base 4. So the biggest is 1213 base 4. And then followed by 73, which is 819. And then the smallest is 61, which is this. 111101 base 2. Okay, we do the same thing for question B. You need to find the number value for each one of them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 base 4. One, two, three base 4 is you will find 27. This one will be 27. And you do the same thing for 73 base 8. You will find that this is 59. This one is 83. So the descending order would be 313 base 5, 73 base 8, 123 base 4. For this one, you will get the value is 105. This one is 92. This one is 26. And then you find the ascending order. This one to this one, and then this one to this one. Okay, so question 11, calculate the difference between the digits, value of digits, 5, okay, in this one and this one, okay. So first, 1576 base 8. So 8, 8, 8, 8, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one will be your first digit value, right? So your first digit value is 5 times 8 square would be 5 times 64, which is 320. And then I am finding the second one, this one, 125 base 7, 0, 1, 2. You need to align them, or you put lines. Okay. So for 5 is 5 times 7 to the power of 0. This is 5 times 1, which is 1. And then I'm finding the difference, which is the minus. So the difference would be 320 minus 5 is 315. So that's it for self-practice 2.1a. So hit the subscribe button to receive more answers. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.